Go and look for go bring bag more they go.
Like sack bag.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to my channel. Is Monday morning.
The last time you guys I'm not gonna take it easy on my head. We're not gonna take it easy. Anyway, so the last time you guys saw me on this channel, we are breaking out. It's stress. The last time you saw me, on this channel is during Kenzie's wedding. Yeah. So I'm here again.
Wow. So let's just go. See you. Bye. What is on? That one. Put that down for me now. She's good. Oh yeah, tell her. Give me. Monday morning when I'm making money, Monday come. that bag where you will see something, one small thing, ginger and garlic. Come here, ginger and garlic. Check inside this bag. It's supposed to be good.
Eh?
Need too much.
Me, I need too much now. Yeah, no, you 7.
No.
You're okay. Me.
That's him.
So we're just going to blend it. Ellen, remove that pepper fast now. So not like, as I was saying, not like I don't like it like this. I like it like this, but it's just that it is too alive. We need to dead it a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do now. And we're just going to proceed to the next. Keep it on top of that big gas. Daddy has gone back, but he never came. I'm going back. For me, it's here. Food will soon be ready. These are the leaves we're going to be using. This is actually scent leaf, another scent leaf, and then this is curry leaf. So these are the 2 leaves we're going to be using because I want this to be very delicious, sumptuous, and Like, I want it to be one of the best meals they've had in a long time. It's been long they actually ate my food, so I want to show them what they've been missing. Good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Actually, I was supposed to carry you guys along my day today because I went out. I went to the Airtel office that is here. I went there because I wanted to get a router. No, I wanted to get a MiFi. No, I have the MiFi. And for some reasons, I don't know, the MiFi doesn't serve anymore, so I wanted to upgrade to a router. And the reason is because back in my house, or back in my home in Owerri, I told you guys about the challenges I have with uploading videos in my house. And from the reviews I was getting from our tenants, they said that MTN network does not really work in our house. So if you want to use a very sustainable and stress-free network, it's going to be Airtel. So I just said when I come here, I'm going to get the router because Jenny actually has it. So I went to their office today and I wasn't able to get it. People were just too much there, so I had to postpone it to tomorrow. So hopefully I'm going to go there tomorrow and the crowd is not going to be as much as I saw today. Or maybe I went late today, that was why I was not able to get it. But tomorrow I'm going to go very early and then I'm going to get the router. And when I made inquiries, they were telling me that the router, they have the one of 25,000 naira and they also have the one of 60,000 naira. So the one of 60,000 naira, you get to buy the router itself for 60,000 naira, but then you get to recharge it for 20,000 naira monthly, and then that way you have unlimited data access. While the other one for 25,000 naira, you buy the router for 25,000 naira and then you get to recharge it for 20,000 naira monthly, but then it's not limited. Like, they give you 120 GB worth of data, and then when that one finishes, you have to buy another one. Well, I'm just looking at it and I'm just thinking if the 65,000 naira on or the 60,000 naira on is going to be better or not, because you know these people, they are doing their own marketing. They might just be telling you that you recharge 20,000 naira and then it's going to be unlimited. You can use it for the whole month, but I doubt if that is even possible. But I'm thinking of getting that particular one because of what the guy said. But I don't even know if I should trust the guy because these people can be very funny. The bottom line is just that I need that router because I feel like it's going to be helpful. At least when I go back home, I'm going to be able to be using, like, uploading videos from my house. I will not have to be traveling far and wide to upload a video. And then also with my MiFi, I buy 20 gig for 5,000 naira, and you will not believe that the 5,000 naira data does not even last up to a week. What is a week? Sometimes 4 days they are telling me you have 50 MB remaining. I'm like, what did I do? So in a month I end up spending way more than I am supposed to be spending. And it just changed recently, because before, let's say earlier this year, I know that when I buy data, I will use my data to a very reasonable extent before I start getting warnings. But these days, immediately I just do small Instagram and do YouTube and come back to do Facebook and come back to check my WhatsApp, they're already sending me a warning message. And I'm like, What is it? What have well, I just think that me taking this bold step to buy this router from these Airtel people is just going to make a lot of sense. It's just that this Airtel network sometimes it can be very stressful. If you go to a place where MTN network is very strong, then best believe that your Airtel is not going to work, because Airtel only functions effectively where no other network is. Airtel do not just like competition. They do not like competition at all. They don't like to be in a place where other people are shining. If you go to like in my village now, that there's no network, like no network can go well there. There's actually Airtel that goes well there, because there is no other network that is trying to compete. Airtel is just a one kind network that I don't even understand what they're doing. Anyways, I'll go there tomorrow and I'll get the router. And if I don't know if it's going to be in this video, because I don't want this video to actually be too long, but if it is not going to be in this video, then you guys are going to see it in my next video. Be sure to stay beautiful and bye.